recipe is in my cookbook, 99 Ninja Foodi recipes, and you can get a copy on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. I'm going to start making this by adding a little bit of oil into my Ninja pot, and I've got just a tiny bit, not a lot at this stage. And I'm going to add my sausages into here. I'm using the naked ones again because I really like these ones. I think they're really good. So in the bottom here, I've just got the small rack. So the one that kind of is the lowest. So that we've got plenty of room for some rising Yorkshire. So sausages in. We're going to air fry these now on 200 for about 8 minutes. Whilst the sausages are just air frying, we're getting those cooked, well, partly cooked. I've made up my Yorkshire pudding batter. In here, I have got 300 millilitres of milk, 4 eggs, salt and pepper, and 250 grams of plain flour. Great, we've got a little bit of colour on the sausages, but obviously they are not cooked through at this stage. Brilliant, let's take those out. I'm going to put those to one side, and then I'm going to add in some extra oil into here. I know it's excessive, but it needs it for that batter to rise and for that Yorkshire pudding to do its thing. So now I want to get that super, super hot. Now, bake mode only goes up to 210. If you switch it over to grill, you'll see we can get up to 240, which is really hot. Now, probably not going to take that long, maybe 6-7 minutes. Let's get that oil absolutely spitting, roasting, so hot that you definitely wouldn't want to touch it. And that batter is going to appreciate that. We're ready. It's super hot. Let's get those. Oh my goodness. Let's get the sausages in as quickly as we can. Oh my goodness, that is so hot. Just be really careful when you do this because it is spitting. And add in your Yorkshire pudding batter. This should rise up so well. Look at that. All in. Let's get the lid down quick. I'm going to get it onto bake. I'm going to treat this like I'm making it in the oven. So bake, hottest temperature that it will go, 210. And I think we're looking at 20-25 minutes. Right, we're at 22 minutes. So let's have a check. Wow, it's big. Now that looks great. The size of it is absolutely huge. That's like doubled in size. That's incredible. Let's get it out. This is absolutely huge. So let's cut a nice wedge of this. And there you go. There is my toad in the hole.